Are you tired of feeling unsure when it comes to handling objections from customers in the automotive sales industry? Don't worry, you're not alone. The first scenario involves a customer who is hesitant to go for a test drive before discussing pricing. We can use a word track like this. I completely understand why you may want to hold off on discussing pricing until you've had a chance to get behind the wheel and experience the vehicle for yourself. A test drive is the best way to get a feel for the performance, handling, and features, and I think you'll be impressed with what this car has to offer. Would you be open to taking it for a spin now, so we can get a better understanding of your needs and preferences? By making a personal connection with the customer and offering to take them for a test drive, you can build trust and establish a positive relationship. The second scenario involves a customer who asked about pricing after a successful test drive. I'm glad to hear that you enjoyed the test drive. I think you'll find that this vehicle is an excellent fit for your needs. If you're interested in discussing terms, I'd be happy to invite you inside the showroom, where we can sit down and go over the details. Our goal is to find the best possible solution for you, so let's work together to find the right vehicle at a price that works for you. By taking the time to listen to the customer's needs and working with them to find the best solution, you can build trust and create a successful sale. With these word tracks in mind, you'll be prepared to handle objections and create positive experiences for your customers. Good luck! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share our content and subscribe to our channel. Till the next video, keep being positive.